Would you like to see my new Rolex? Check it out on this episode of How Not to Highline. Hi, I'm Ryan Jinks and I'm pretty stoked. This is the 200 meter at CRG. This is Sky Pilot from Slacklife BC and Moonwalk, which is a lightweight backup, which is amazing. This is probably the best feeling walk I've done in a long time. I just came back. I am disappointed in the fact that I did so well, I didn't get to practice using my new Rolex. So here I am, twisting the fuck out of it. Come in closer, I'll show you this. So you can see here it's one wheel rather than like the Slacktivity one, which is a bunch of rollerblade bearings. I'm sure they use something different, but that's what we used to use to make out of. All right, so my paracord's a little too big for the keeper sling hole, which is nice for my little system here. So when I unclip, and if I dropped it, it would go in that hole. But I just kind of makeshift this up right before I started walking. But yeah, if you drop it this way, when you're on big lines, it's nice to clip there and then there. And the cool feature about this is, like, I'm hanging on for dear life right now, so I don't slide back to the middle, is I can just keep this little brake that they sell, and you put it in that hole, and that's what the top hole is for. It's one of the purposes. And then I just slip that underneath, and then I could just chill here. I'm not hanging on. It's a pretty cool brake. It's lightweight, efficient, not a lot to it, so it's not a pain in the ass. Otherwise, maybe you'd have to put a pin in the side. I don't know how else you would design this without the thing being bigger. So this is a steeper part of the Highline, and when I lifted my weight up, I could put the brake. You can come in closer and see how the brake is actually flush with the wheel right here. And now I'm like, not really sliding, it's working pretty good. But you can buy these at Spider Slacklines from Italy or Equillibrium Slacklines from the Czech Republic. And yeah, they work together to make this gear because making gear is expensive and time consuming. So it's pretty cool they work together to create a pretty nice product. So go buy this from either one of them. Hey, Matt.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you,
a hug. Oh, really tested my brake. All right, cool. You like my brake?
It's pretty good, but why don't you just flip that thing over?
Like everybody does?
Like everyone does.
All right, let's find out if flipping this over is... All right.
Oh. Let's give it the hug test.
All right, the hug test. Oh,
you know what? It's better.
Yeah, the brake's better for sure. No, that's not UIAA tested. That's you and me tested. All right, we're done. You know, if you have a lot of hangovers, nobody really respects you. But nobody judges you regardless of how many Rolexes you own. That was pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching, but don't be an idiot and try highlining without going with somebody who knows what they're doing the first time you go out. We actually have available now the Highline University International, which is A to Z, everything you need to know before you go highlining. This teaches you how to use a highline that's already rigged. So let's talk about some leash management. That's the H0 course, which is out right now and available at hownottohighline.com. It's over 100 videos with quizzes, PDFs, illustrations, and it comes with homework and teachers that you submit it to. It's a very interactive online school, so you get to learn in person online.